Hello everyone, my name is Srishti Marwa and my topic is national income and its various methods. In this lecture, let us see national income and its various methods which is used for measuring national income. So, what is national income? Every individual has certain income. I have some income, you also have some income. So likewise, nation also has some income. So when we say income, this is measured in terms of some value. So what is this value? This value is monetary value or the money value of something. When we say national income, it is in terms of money or monetary value. This is one thing that you should remember. So by definition, national income measures the total value of goods and services which is produced within the economy over a period of time. Let's talk about its national income concepts. Gross domestic product at market price, GDPMP. Gross domestic product at factor cost, GDPFC. Net domestic product at market price, NDPMP. Gross national product at factor cost, GNPFC. Gross national product at market price, GNPMP. Net domestic product at factor cost, NDPFC. Gross national product at factor cost, GNPFC. Net national product at market price, NNPMP. Net national product at factor cost, NNPFC, or you can say national income also. Come to our next slide, which is as we all know, there are three methods which we use for calculating national income. So its first method is value added method. Now we start our discussion with value added method. Value added method is also known as industrial origin method or net output method. Why industrial origin? Because industry produce output. With the help of all factors of production, they produce output. Now we will discuss how it is measured. It is a summation. Let's talk about its value added formula. National income is equals to gross value added by primary sector plus gross value added by tertiary sector minus depreciation minus net indirect tax plus net factor income from abroad. Value added is equals to value of output minus intermediate consumption. Value of output is equals to sales plus change in stock. Change in stock is equals to closing stock minus opening stock. Come to our next topic, which is next method, which is income method. According to this method, all the incomes that accrue to the factors of production by the way of wages, profit, rent, interest, etc. are summed up to obtain the national income. Formula: national income minus NDPFC plus net factor income from abroad. Then next step is NDPFC minus compensation of employees plus rent and royalty plus interest plus profit plus mixed income. Compensation of employees includes wages and salary in cash plus wages and salaries in kind plus employers' contribution to social security schemes. Operating surplus minus rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. Let's talk about its third method, which is expenditure method. Factor income earned by factors of production which is spent in the form of expenditure on purchase of goods and services which is produced by firms. This method is also known as income disposal method. Its formula: national income is equals to GDPMP minus depreciation, net indirect tax, net factor income from abroad. GDPMP is equals to private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. Gross domestic capital formation includes gross fixed capital formation plus change in stock. Net exports is equals to exports minus imports. So thank you very much.